This looks posh.
Well, I was trying to think, yeah. There's an Italian motorbike place down here, but you have to book an appointment to come and view if you're interested in buying. It does all Italian stuff. Borders, Ducatis, things like that, Moto Guzzi. Anything, proper old stuff. But is it somewhere in Star Market?
I bet it's all 30 grand plus, isn't it?
Yeah, he's got some exotic stuff. I've seen him on Henry Cole, and he had to make an appointment. He knows him, and he's took him round, and some of the stuff's like worth a fortune, yeah, big money. If you can get through, guys. Keep going. Am I through?
Through the lights, yeah.
Yeah.
It's an interesting spire on that church.
Yes, it is, isn't it?
Looks like it's been added later than.
It does, yeah.
To the church, yeah. That was a church with a tower that's had a steeple added to it.
When going in this lane, we've got to go left, haven't we? Here.
Yeah. Yeah.
65, so we're going left. Okay, guys?
Yeah.
Left here, yeah. Can't see the spire. I can see it, but yeah, it's only like a point in it.
It's got like a
pencil.
It's got like a minaret, a turret or something halfway up it. Maybe they've turned it into a mosque. Who knows?
Maybe. We've seen one just. They're all boarded up.
Seems a little bit
run down.
Slightly run down, doesn't it?
Yeah.
The rubbish in the bags over here. This is the problem, isn't it? These towns, even these affluent, nice towns like this, are beginning to suffer.
Stuff with that going, isn't there? The other places ain't.
Yeah.
This has all been filtered to them.
Yeah. Them businesses over there, closed down or whatever. Premium music, oh my, Gipping way.
Only my third exit here.
Okay.
That's down there where that taxi's come from, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
If we can get round, which you can't because they've blocked it now. Can't be down there, surely. Is it?
Why not?
Yeah.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is. It is.
I've got it, Paul.
Oh, got choo-choo train crossing now.
Ooh. I like.
Pat. He's probably evaded it and gone underneath.
Do you want to know what these flashing lights are called?
And then
What?
Wigwags.
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 Why?
Just what they're called. There's every day's a school day for you.
Wigwag,
Yeah.
A wigwag.
That's what
I
they're
didn't know
known.
whether it was some bloke called it a wig-bag or something.
That's exactly what they're called. Wigwags.
And that's just called a gate.
That's called a crossing gate, yeah. But the
Yeah.
flashing lights are called wigwags.
Big bag.
Do you work on the trains, Dave?
Not on the trains, no. I work on the railway though.
You're on the railways.
Yeah.
That's what I meant, sorry.
Yeah. And when you pull up a level crossing now, you'll know what they're called.
Big wags.
Wigwags.
We need to know why. Somebody's going to go why.
Because they're going.
That's what we need to know.
Because they're going wig-wag, wig-wag, wig-wag,
They could be
wig-wag.
called blinkers
No, they're called
blink.
they're called wigwags.
or swappies. Is there another one?
No.
No.
And these things in between the rails that are crossing are called BOMAG units.
What?
The things between the rails that are crossing that we drove over then
Yes.
They're called bow mag units.
Oh, mag unit. Okay.
Do we know
Cool.
why they're called Bomag units?
Probably the manufacturer.
Oh.
So for every crossing in the whole of the UK, one manufacturer makes them.
Yep, pretty much.
Damn.
Oh, mag.
Bow mags. Yeah.
So we're going to the right now, and we're going to the left now.
It's sort of straight over, so my map's
So-
saying left.
I thought we
So
got to
I'm-
go left here.
Okay, so
Right.
I'm wrong. Just tell
Yeah.
me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've got
Okay.
now. I've got left 13 yards. That's there where you are, right?
I got left.
The map's left, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it.
Oh, I
Oh,
nearly lost
dear.
my footing on the gravel in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
All
good.
out,
Okay.
all out.
See how it confuses? It sends you there, then it changes tack when you've committed yourself.
It's always when it's a little weird little V junction like
The
that,
little
though, isn't
thing,
it?
it was telling me right, the V was showing to the right. There's a little line, but it was showing you that the right-hand line was the predominant one to go right. Then as I got to it, it
You
sort
went
of
flip.
slightly wavered, and it was like, oh, okay, yeah, I've got to go left. That's what you get with them. They're not quite, yeah.
Hey, get round, get round.
Right.
Lovely.
Talk to myself, gent, sorry.
Yeah, it's alright, we all do it. It's when we answer ourselves we've got the problem.
Yeah. And I'll normally do that.
Ha ha ha.
You're the plasterwork on the side. You have a look at the plasterwork on the pink and Dave on the left.
Mm.
Come man on a horse. Mid-flow up the building on a pink one on the left.
Oh wow. Brilliant. Awesome, innit?
This is a lovely little town, this is.
Yeah.
What is it? Who is it?
What's it
Where is
called?
it?
Do we know?
Here we go.
Botstale. Botstale.
It's co-
Says
Oh
on
yeah,
the water.
Yeah, Botchdale.
Beautiful.
Really nice.
Lovely.
But it's only a church there too.
Nice.
Bloody lovely.
Bloody lovely. Bloody lovely.
The left here by the looks of it, I think.
Yep.
Nice building here, that little 50p piece.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a bend anyway, it's a bend. That's nice, isn't it? Oh, down to left. Oh, let's beat the lorry.
Oh, can I do it? Can I do it? Can I do it? Yeah, of course you can.
Done it?
Yeah.
Everybody out. Everybody out.
3.6 for the next one.
Oh, lovely. Tightening, 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 opening up.
One of the Dave got me.
It's like a Thatcher's paradise over here.
Oh, good
Yeah.
hell. Well, this is where they get all the reeds off the Broads, don't they, for this lot?
Yeah.
So that's what they use, but yeah. A
More
lot of it here, look at this.
more thatched places here than the Lenches.
Yeah.
Cross Keys. Lovely place. That one looks like it could do with renewing, and that one.
Hey?
Look like they could do with
Redo.
redoing.
25 years, didn't they give them?
Is it 25 years?
25 years, yeah.
How much does that actually cost to have your roof thatched, do you reckon? Like
Haven't
one
got
of
a clue. Don't know.
it's gotta be thousands, isn't it?
Oh.
Then I'd say
Plus-
about
plus-
50, 60,000.
Plus your insurance goes up because it's that. You can't have any fires out your house.
Yeah.
Or buy them or nothing. At all. Yeah, it's, yeah. I wouldn't, well, no, I wouldn't.
Does it
Just,
keep you? Is it better insulation?
I don't know, I suppose, I don't know. It probably is, well, how much they're putting on now, they're doing. It's just the fact that you've got to be so careful with fire and smoke and burning things. Because you can smolder for weeks, you won't even know.
Yeah.
That's crazy, isn't
By
it?
the time it starts, it's too late. By the time you notice, it's been at it ages, so,
Yeah.
yeah.
Bring back Mrs. Thatcher.
But this road's a bit bumpy.
But it's resurfaced it in there, just put it on, follow the contours. Blimey. It's here to turn right in a minute.
Yeah, 129 yards.
Oh, it's junction.
Oh,
What?
the White Horse.
The White Horse.
Quiet.
Bumpy.
Oof.
Okay.
Shake your
And
bones.
they're shouting about a bit, Dave.
Shake your bones about. Bone shaker. I'm sweating like Shane McGowan's dentist.
These roads are terrible. But they leave them on purpose, you know, so as you don't go fast.
Yeah, very bouncy.
There's more of that stuff on the right, Dave.
Yeah.
Van coming down. Oh. God blimey. I ain't gonna tell him I'm you, Paul.
Ah, not me, not me, not me, not me.
I was concentrating on the van,
Bollocks!
Oof. Jesus.
and I was concentrating on the shit quality road.
Bloody hell, this is
This is
Probably
where
the worst road we've been on the last 4 days.
it's a suspension test track. This is.
it's off. It's just testicle suspension, I think, test.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Arse has gone to sleep.
I'm back!
Apsis make Asko Honda.
Honda.
Wow. Is it straight over? That's the question.
No,
No.
I
Yeah.
don't think so.
No,
No,
not
I
at
think
all.
it's left.
Left.
She's
Paul.
left in it.
She's left.
She's
Yeah.
left.
It's a left. Not a right.
Yeah. It's a Honda. Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah, they're doing it quicker. Yeah.
Oh, pardon me. Oh, bloody hell. What do you think that soup was, Paul? One carrot,
Pardon?
was it? What do you think that soup was? We had it 1 carrot, was it?
Say again.
What do you think that soup was we had? It wasn't carrot, was it?
No, or carrot. It could have been like coriander or something.
Butternut
It might
squash.
have been carrot and coriander.
Yeah.
Butternut
Something like
squash,
that.
yeah. Didn't have a lot of flavour.
Did.
Didn't.
Oh, I liked it. I did. It was nice.
I liked it, but
was,
I needed more seasoning, so I had to season the hell out of it.
To pepper the hell out of it.
Salt and peppered it to death.
the pepper things don't come out enough, do they?
No.
Clear.
No, you need proper black pepper and a proper grinder.
Yeah.
Yep, get the proper flavour out.
Yeah.
Van in the distance.
From a distance.
I bet he don't slow down.
No, he ain't slowing down
Yes.
for no man.
No, he
Really?
don't. She went into the ditch, to be fair to her.
Did?
I'll give those gentlemen some space, she thought.
She thought they look like a distinguished set of gentlemen.
Yes.
Huh.
Yeah, and then she saw Paul.
Yep. Look at it, lovely. So we've been really lucky, mate, with the weather, haven't we? I thought it was
Yeah,
rubbish this
yeah,
holiday.
it's been
It's
great.
wet and a bit damp and dank.
Really
Uh,
well.
Very, the weather's really,
Really
good,
well.
really.
Yeah. The weather
But
gods.
it did look good when you looked at it before we come away.
No. The weather gods look kindly upon us.
Yeah. Yeah.
I did say a little cheeky prayer when we was in the church today,
There you
saying
are, then.
please keep the weather nice for us.
That's good.
Yeah. Bit like New Galloway, ain't it?
It's very good, this is.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not as remote as the remote one we did at Argyle and Beauty, is it, Dave?
No, nothing's as remote as that.
No, that one road we found at the last day.
Yeah.
It's lovely, nevertheless, it's very quiet and finding loads of little back lanes. Pleasant. Nice.
Oh, it's
Left at
lovely.
the end of the road.
Lovely when you're moving
The
again. I was
breezes are lovely.
sweating profusely there then.
Yeah. You imagine if this really sun was out.
I know.
Oh,
I know.
2.5 miles on this bit of road.
I wouldn't have this bleeding lining in my jacket, to be fair, if I'd known.
Yeah. Oh, lovely.
Absolutely lovely. New Buckingham.
I would just like to say, gentlemen, that I have thoroughly enjoyed the last 4 days with you all. It's been an absolute pleasure, and I would like to thank you for the invites, and hopefully we'll get to ride with you all again very, very soon, because it's been absolutely fantastic.
We've enjoyed having you along with us. And
Yeah,
you're
it's
welcome.
been great. Just give us your
anytime.
number, and then you can come to the picnics then.
You come to the picnic.
Picnics
Yeah.
is the next step.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'd just like to say, which one's the gentleman?
Well, I was referring to Dave and Paul, front and back.
Oh,
Yeah. I don't want to upset you by calling you a gentleman.
no.
You'll
If
get.
I'd have went Chelsea fuckboy in the middle, you'd have known I was talking about you.
And you'll get to meet Uncle Joe in person.
I'm looking forward to meeting everyone
That'll
else.
be a treat. So, like, we can be your fatherly figures, he can be your grandfatherly figure. He'll like that, will Joe?
Should have turned there, I think. I was enjoying the corner that much. We should have turned.
Yeah.
It's all right. It's rerouted. All right. Going 2.5 miles. I'm enjoying the bend.
I know. I thought it would
follow this road straight, get to the end of it and do a left.
That's all right. There's only a couple of droppings. I think it's when you get to Norwich anyway. That's all.
Yeah.
Just to get me around the one side of Norwich. I just thought that's a nice corner.
Yeah, lovely that one.
Nice sweeping right-hander.
Yeah. Funny enough, about 5 minutes before, I was thinking, if the road's nice and I've got to turn, I'm going to carry on. So it did subconsciously happen.
Yeah.
Without me looking at it.
Yeah.
There you are.
And Dabby Dozy.
That is nice.
Look at that. 60 then 40. It's like torture, isn't it?
Stupid.
Don't do that. White box. Speed monitors here then. Left for Norwich. You know that, because I've got to go around there, leave Norwich on my right when we get to Norwich. That's what I did, so to that would be alright. I don't know whether it might be in Norwich now, you know.
Yeah, we've been Norwich.
We're supposed to be going around Norwich, I think, a little bit. So
yeah, we just got past the University of Norwich.
Oh, that's it then.
We're right in the centre then.
Yeah, there's no way round all this lot. I tried last night, and you can either go to the left or to the right, and I think I've gone to the left in the end, unless it changed. But I don't think it will, because I dropped pinned it. So just got it one of them.
Nice bit of scenery. Nice bit of scenery.
Yeah, I've never seen Norwich before, so it's all good.
It's out of the centre. I've been to Norwich. It's got a castle in it, so I think of the cathedral and things like that.
Yeah, I've been to Norwich, Ipswich.
Nicholas Parsons. Live.
Yes.
Norwich.
The century.
It's the sale of the century.
And he said Delia Smith.
Oh.
Where's Partridge? Aha, Alan Partridge.
That was Norwich,
Anglian TV. Norwich.
Anglian TV, and also was he when he played Saxondale as well.
That was Norwich, though, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That was all around here somewhere.
Oh, it was.
Don't know, can't see anybody.
Now they built the old flat side, the flat spit.
Oh.
I think they make them knock that down, wouldn't you? Because it don't look safe.
Well, it's old, isn't it? That's the trouble, isn't it? It's what is
Probably
it?
listed.
It probably is leaning a bit.
Yeah. You can't start knocking down history.
Yeah.
I'll keep it together now, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, good.
Point two of them all, we've got to go left. I knew this was going to be this, because you say you've got to go, you end up going a completely different way to miss it. So 150 yards left. Swaff them.
Swaff them.
Swap them.
We're together, that's the main thing.
We want to be together.
Together.
We want to be together.
We want to be together.
Point three, we've got to go right. You've done that before, you see, broke it up, and then it goes badly wrong.
And everybody gets tempers frayed.
Yeah, so we're better off just sitting like a car driver in it.
Indicator, Dave. Indicator, Dave.
You can't jump. I've literally just got round the corner and you're on me.
Ah, you're in a dangerous place now. You've got to turn it off straight away. Listen to the old man.
I'm listening.
Hey!
One of my favourite places on the right.
What
Machine Mart.
Yeah.
I love Machine Mart.
Never been in there.
Every time I go
Never
in,
been in.
I buy something.
Yeah, there's always something to buy.
But
Yeah.
I have to keep me out of there.
I'll go to the Worcester one harder, usually.
Yeah.
I'm going to pull over in a minute because I ain't got a clue where I'm going, and I'm going in a direction, but...
If you keep going down here, you should hit the route in 1.1 miles.
Oh, okay. Sorry, Dave.
If you carry on straight line, you should hit the route in 1.1 miles.
All mine trying to do is take me back to something that's probably...
I believe, anyway.
So press the top. Oh, good. We've got a railway station. Oh, railway's locked with their winking things. What happened today?
Wigwags.
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 Never, ever remember that.
Wigwag.
Wham, bam.
Think of an Indian, a wigwam.
Automatic half barrier crossing that one. There we are.
We're going left or right? I think left.
Right.
Left.
Right.
Right.
Defo right.
Left. I gotta go left.
Hold on.
Norwich.
Right.
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 Good, right. It's on here. It says Stalin, 8 mile.
Nice try, Dave. You're just trying to make the ride a longer one. That's all you're doing.
Yeah.
I was enjoying myself.
I know.
That's all he's doing.
Trying to take us on another hour's worth of riding. That's what you're up to.
There you go.
But we rumbled you.
Oh,
You're
bloody
on
no.
car. You're building car.
14 minutes, 6 miles. Arriving at 17:13, but we're going for fuel first, aren't we?
Yeah.
Fuel up. We're all done.
You got
Get some
a
water,
minute.
don't forget.
Whoever goes in first got to tell her they love her.
What if it's a him?
You got to say, I love you, blue-eyed baby.
What if it's a him?
Who loves you, baby?
You got to take one for the team.
Or what, tell him you love him?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, but it's always going to be Dave or Paul that fill up first, because they have to put less fuel in.
That's right.
That's just true. I wonder if it'll be penny for penny tonight. Up and over some water. Beautiful. Ooh. That smells like... Oh. Oh, man.
That smells.
It smells lovely.
Paul's favourite place, McDonald's. Petrol station.
Everett. I've missed it, sorry. I was carried away then. Bearings. I missed that myself.
You did that because you don't want to tell the woman in the service station that you love her.
That's right. Dave?
It might not be the woman though, might it, tonight?
Hey?
Might not be the woman tonight. Might be the bloke. Has he turned round? Is he coming back?
Probably having a beer.
Carried away with himself.
Yeah.
It was flowing nice. Here he is.
Bloody car park's full tonight.
Is it?
No room left.
Oh, no, they're spots.
Yeah, there's just one spot in between. There's hardly any room.
Well, I get four in a spot there. £10.59, Paul.
How many litres? Get a receipt again. Okay.
8.6 litres.
Gotta get some water tonight. Number 4. Number 4. I love you.
I love you.
I love you, lady. Oh.
Johnny, love you a long time.
Love you a long time.
Long time, Johnny.
I've put in £10.53.
I'll beat you.
Not sort of full, sticking out.
I'll put more in than that, didn't I?
£10.53.
Dave.
Which water did I have the other day? Alright, can't remember which water I had.
Number is he?
Whether it's a
Number
big
3.
one. Oh, I forgot what number I was. What? Sorry, mate. What number am I? You see what number I am? 4.
4.
Cheers, man. Thank you.
Hello, mate. Number 4, please. Yeah. Thanks, mate. Cheers. Take care. Bye. I love him long time.
I love you a long time, Johnny. Love you a long time. 56. Flight life, push and cheap. 20 shows extra.
Oh, dear God. Oy, oy, oy. Right. Well, that's the 3 days of riding around Norfolk done. So that's it, folks, for the 3 days of riding. Hope you've enjoyed the time out with us. We've got tomorrow the return. There'll be a video probably from that, but in terms of the 3 days of riding around Norfolk and Suffolk, it's been brilliant. Hope you've come along with us. Hope you've enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.